Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at an item that Kedsum did send to me and did compensate me to make a review on this product. Just to be clear and transparent, what is it? It's a folding hand truck. Approximate size 31 inches by 16 inches. It says an enlarged base, 13.8 pounds, very, very lightweight. So easy to use, really strong. Has 6 wheels. Really strong and holds up to 500 pounds. So we'll do a quick unboxing. We're going to put it together. I'm going to show you all about it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let's get to the video. Okay, so let's open up the box. I'm going to show you exactly what's in here. It's really decent quality. It does have a good instruction manual. Very nice color pictures, which is really an A+ in my book. Easy to use. Get simple instructions for installation. Let's put this to the side. Let's see what's in here. Let's take this out. Let's put this on the table. Let's pull this out of the box. Let's get this box out of the way. And here you go. Here's some tie-down straps it gives you, which is nice. These are all high-quality straps you can do. So if you want to strap something down, I like that. This will lock down, which is nice if you want to install something. If you want to move something heavy, you want to strap it down. That's what this is, a nice quality strap. Okay guys, so here is the actual cart. Aluminum, like I said, only 13.8 pounds. Really feels really sturdy. Simple to do, simple to use. What you want to do is a couple different options. You can raise this up to lock it in place. We'll do that in 1 second. And this extends out. We'll do that in a second. What we want to do first is actually install the wheels. Now these are the caster wheels that did come with right here. These are all high quality caster wheels. I want to show you how they come. It does come with the tool, the wrench to put them on. Let's take a look at these here. You can see the wheels, how they come. Nice large wheels. There's 6 of these. So we want to install the wheels. Let me just pull these all out of the package. Here are all the nuts. Okay, put that to the side. Okay guys, so here are the wheels. Here are all the casters. Like I said before, I took them all out of the bag. So what's nice about this has 2 locks. These are lock the wheels. To lock these wheels, I would suggest these put them on the back. That way you can get access to them with your feet. So if you want to lock the wheel. So these are going to go on the back. So we'll put these here. And they're already the nuts are already, the bolts are already pre-assigned. And they give you the bag of nuts, okay? And they give you the tool to put them on, which I really think this is a really nice, really good setup. You don't have to heavily buy any tools. It's all set to go. So let's just do this. So these 2 with the locking, right? I would say go on the back. We can just preset this all up. That goes in the front. And this one goes in the front. And these 2 are more pivots, right? So they got more pivots, so these go on the side. So you can see how that all works, right? And this one here goes on the side, like that. So you can see how these pivot. You can see how that pivots here. I'm just going to put all these screws on one at a time. We're going to just zip through these. So we're going to just pause the video. And we'll get right back to once I get these all set up. Just get everything on. Super easy. If you have a ratchet set, you can use a ratchet set if you want to. But they do give you the tool to do it on, so it should be a pretty easy chore. Put the rest of these screws on, and then we're going to take it, put it on the floor, and we're going to show you how everything works. Hey, if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do all types of reviews, as you can see here, from tech to how-to, the dehumidifiers, to you name it, I do it all. I love to do all kinds of reviews and actually show you how to do things. And this is one of these show and tells, like how to install something, how to put something together. So if I brought you some value, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're the first time here, welcome to my channel. I do all types of reviews, all types of how-tos, and this is just one of them. So I hope you're enjoying this video. I really do appreciate that. If you are, smash that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. It really does. And that's why I really do appreciate that. And if I brought you some value, consider that super thanks right below there. You can hit that super thanks to help support my channel. Everything I do raise goes back into the channel so I can make more videos just like this. All right, so we're going to continue tightening all these up, get it all ready, and then we're going to put it on the floor and we're going to show you how it all works. Okay guys, I was using this wrench here and I had to break out my ratchet. It's just much faster with the ratchet. So if you have a ratchet set in a millimeter, this is a standard 10 millimeter nut, and these are self-locking nuts, just so you know. So with the nut, with the ratchet, it took me no time, but I had to break down. You know, it is what it is. They do give you the tool, but if you have a socket and ratchet set, just grab that 10 millimeter socket, and then you're good to go. I would get the deep wall socket. The shallow could be a little bit harder to deal with the depth of it, but you can see here it's going much faster when you have a socket set. I mean, you can do it the other way. It's up to you, but it's faster this way. I got all the stuff on. You just saw I just tightened up all all the sockets, everything is good to go. All the nuts and bolts are on. Turn it around. And you can see how it just moves around super easy. So how to access it really easy. This just locks in right here, which is really nice. I like the way this locks in. To close it, you just push down on it. You can use your foot. This is all spring loaded, and that's how you unlock it. And if you want to raise this, you press this button down here. You can see you can adjust this here height. You can lock it 2 positions, 1, 2, full extension. You got 3 different locking, which I like that. You can see that. Let's go back down here. Let's put it down on the crown. Now you can see how it does have that pivot motion. You can see that, how that works. You can use that. It does extend, like this here is a longer. Once you do that, some of the weight's going to get distributed in front, and then it's going to be, you can still get that angle, you can still tilt it, you can still do a 360, but the front doesn't pivot. I mean, the front doesn't swivel. That's the only thing. So once you have the weight on here, the distribution weight is across, you can tie everything down, and you can just see how it moves around really nice and easy. I like that. And if you don't need a long one, you can go with the short one. So this is really nice, high quality aluminum, adjustable handle, easy lockdown. This goes down. This goes up. You can see all high quality. This is a nice quality item, guys. This is strong. This is not going to go anywhere. I'm going to put this on the floor. I'm going to wheel it around, put some weight on it, and see how it functions. Okay, guys, you can see here I got about 50 pounds on here. Some videotapes I've been working on. You can see how it's on the dolly, how it just rolls around. Really, really nice and easy. You can see how it just swivels right around. Really, really nice quality. I love this. It's got a nice handle on it, like I told you before. Easily move the stuff around. You got a basement, if you got an office, storage, moving, definitely does exactly as it's stated. I'm going to give this a 5 out of 5, guys. It does what it says. It holds the weight. It pivots, it turns, it moves super smoothly. Like the handle on it. It really works really well. So I love it. I'm going to give it definitely like a 5 out of 5. Nice quality. If they were done, you can just push down. And the locking wheels right here, I just want to show you those locking wheels real quick. We forgot to touch on that. Just push those down. Push that down, and now it won't move. It is not going to go anywhere. When you want to release it, you can release those just like that. Put your other foot on here, snap it forward, just like that, and that's how you release them. Again, super easy. So these really work well. I'm very, very happy. Nice quality. I'm definitely going to keep this one. You can see how it extended all the way out to hold all those buckets. Hold boxes up to 500 pounds. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow the channel for more, and I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.